Here we are inside Soleil, a 2006 Beneteau 323. The salon takes up the whole beam of the boat with an inline table, leaves on both sides, forward V-berth with a locker to port, opening window, navigation center. We have our AC power, VHF radio, CD player, and your DC controls. Galley has a 2-burner stove and microwave with a single stainless steel sink and refrigeration. Aft is the master cabin with the hanging locker and battery selectors. Inside our bathroom is a sink, more hanging area for wet storage, teak shower seat, and your head. This boat is equipped with ocean air blinds on all these opening ports. Keeps the sun out, keeps the boat cool, protects your interior. Here's our Yanmar diesel engine with our starter battery. The house battery is underneath the aft cabin. You have easy access from the front and access from the port side through the aft cabin. Above deck, the Beneteau 32 has a teak cockpit with an opening transom for your swim step. Great access, and the pivoting wheel. Princess seats. And looking forward, in-mast furling main, furling Genoa, all lines leading aft to the cockpit.